What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got another quick guess what's in the box video. This long rectangular box here, I did get it from PNW Forerunner Connection, buddy named Josh Young, buddy of mine. So we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the box video, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Like I said, this is an item that I got from a buddy of mine named Josh Young. He runs PNW Forerunner Connection in Washington State. I got a couple items from him, actually. I got this box and I got this long box right here. It is, hence, you know, he sells things for Forerunners. It is for the both of these boxes, but especially this one over here. They're both for the 2000 limited 4x4, but we're going to be doing a guess what's in the box video on this one today. So this box is 4 foot and 1/4 of an inch, or it's 48 inches and 1/4 of an inch long. It is 6 1/4 inches wide, and it is 6.5 inches deep. That is the measurements of the box. What do you guys think is in this box? You know, I can tell you it is for the cargo area. But I could be wrong, actually. I don't know which box has what in it. I know what the items are, I just don't know which one has what. I would assume this probably is for the cargo area, but it could be for the roof. I don't know. We'll have to find out when I unbox it and we go to install it and everything. But just a quick video. It's a quick guess what's in the box video. It is for the 2000 limited 4x4. Both of these boxes are. They're not for the SR5. Also, update. I will be talking to a buddy of mine that lives in town, close by. I've totally forgot he had a Forerunner. He went back to American Vehicles when his Forerunner motor seized, and I might be buying that entire rig from him to use for restoring the SR5, as well as doing a automatic and manual shift transfer case and 4-wheel drive conversion on it with an, I believe his has an e-locker. So potentially we'll have 3 Forerunners, one that's going to be a parts vehicle until I'm going to basically part that truck out to the SR5 as well as the Limited. The Limited needs a rear axle. The SR5 can use the 4x4 conversion, and the Limited could use some of the engine components, and the SR5 could use, the Limited could also use the brake lines, the main brake lines. And then the SR5 could use a couple of the items off of it, like a couple bumper valances and stuff like that. The Limited does need a rear bumper reinforcement as well as a tow hitch because it's extremely rusted out. So it's possible things that the truck that I'm looking at picking up from him could do. It could potentially restore 2 other vehicles. And then the only thing that would be left would be the frame and then the body, and can always build a truck out of it, another Forerunner, but maybe throw some Ford axles under it, turn it into an off-roader, because my buddy Ryan, that's what he had the truck for. It was lifted 9-10 inches, and all he used it for was trailing. He took it to the trails and crawling and stuff like that. So it was a dedicated crawl rig. It was always transported on a trailer until they got there. So, you know, it's possibly a third Forerunner coming to the channel, and possibility of fourth too, because I am looking for another fully functioning running 4Runner, 2000 preferably, maybe another limited but in Sky's color, in the Millennium Silver. So potentially have 4. So it's a couple updates for you guys. That's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. We'll unbox this in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!